Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a scrolling text at the end of your video. So let's start. Yeah, I just want to animate this. All I'll do is you click on all the text, or you highlight all the text, then I'll nest it, click on the nest, then I'll play with the keyframe position. Start with the position, then let me say the position the first. Then I want to start like this, then move a bit forward, then click on the keyframe again and go up. You can add as many texts you want to add. I'm just trying to make this fast, so you can add. Let me put it in the way that it's going out of the screen. Okay, you can add as many texts as you want to add. Then let me shift this keyframe a little bit back so it can be faster. Let's go. It's very fast. Let me push it forward again. All right, so this is it. So this is it. Then you can highlight the two keyframes and ease in and ease out. Yep. So in this will do. Play it. Yep. If it's too fast, you can like push it a little bit forward, then let's play. Like I said, you can add as many texts as you want, so I'm just trying to make it fast for us to know the concept on how to actually like create the ending text. Yeah, something like that. So thank you for watching. Subscribe.